What if I told you I could build a fully automated, faceless Instagram brand in under 30 minutes, starting from zero? No experience, no expensive tools, just 3 free AI apps. Let me show you how. Look, I know what you're thinking, another AI tutorial that sounds like a lot of work. But I'm not talking about complex prompts or paid software. This is the exact workflow I'm using to build digital assets on autopilot. Step 1 is locking in our monthly strategy. Step 1 is locking in our strategy, and we are skipping the manual brainstorming completely. I'm pasting a specialized master directive that forces the AI to behave like a viral social media manager. Watch the screen. In less than 10 seconds, it maps out a complete, highly engaging 30-day content calendar tailored perfectly to our dark luxury niche. It gives us our exact daily hooks, target audiences, and niche hashtags. This is our raw fuel for the next step, and it cost us absolutely nothing. Step 2 is turning our raw strategy into a visual powerhouse, and we are completely breaking the rules here. Most beginners panic because they think they have to manually design 30 individual posts one by one. That is an absolute waste of your time. Instead, we are using a hidden automation feature built directly inside Canva's free apps panel called Bulk Create. By pasting our text database from ChatGPT directly into this template structure, we can link our font blocks instantly. Watch the screen. When I hit generate, the system automatically renders an entire month's worth of premium, brand-ready content in exactly 1 second. No cameras, no manual designing, completely on autopilot. The final piece of the puzzle isn't just creating the content, it's automating the release so you can completely walk away. We are plugging our newly created assets directly into Meta Business Suite, which is a 100% free tool built natively by Instagram. By uploading our graphics bundle to their content planner grid, we can schedule our entire month of daily posts to go live on autopilot at peak engagement hours. This turns your page into a self-sustaining digital asset that grows while you sleep. Now the blueprint is in your hands. If this workflow saved you time, hit that subscribe button to join the squad, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.